Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to IGBO with Queen TV. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How was your Valentine today? Hope the Valentine was good. It was good enough. Hope the Valentine was good. Hope the Valentine was good. Hope the Valentine. Hey guys, welcome to IGBO with Queen TV. What we are going to be learning in this video is how to speak Igbo, how to speak Igbo language. If you want to learn how to speak Igbo language, if you want to know more about Igbo language, you're in a rightful place. This channel is for you to learn how to speak Igbo. When you want to say cup, cup in Igbo is iko. Iko mmiri, that's cup. Iko mmiri. Iko mmiri is cup. Iko mmiri is cup. Iko mmiri is cup. Iko mmiri is cup. When you want to say plate, plate, efere. Plate is efere. Plate, efere. Plate, efere. Plate in Igbo is efere. You want to say broom, broom. Broom you use in sweeping. Your sweeping broom is called aziza. 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 Broom is called aziza. Aziza. That is broom. Aziza. is Aziza. Aziza. Broom is called Aziza. In Igbo, broom is called Aziza. Iko is cup. Iko is cup. Efere. Efere is plate. Efere is plate. Floor. The floor. Floor. Floor is called ala. Floor. Floor is called ala. Floor and ground is the same thing. It's called ala. Water. Water is called miri. Water is called miri. That is water. Miri. That is water. Miri. Food. Food is called nri. Food is called nri. Food is called nri. Then when you want to make sentence with food, I want to eat. Achọrọ m iri nri. I want to eat. Achọrọ m iri nri. You're making a sentence with food. I want to eat. Achọrọ m iri nri. I want to eat. Achọrọ m iri nri. Food is nri. Nri is called nri in Igbo language. Food is nri. Water is mmiri. Water is mmiri. Plate is efere. Plate is efere. Cup is iko mmiri. Cup is iko mmiri. I want to drink water. Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. I want to drink water. Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. Give me that cup. Nye m iko mmiri ahụ. Give me that cup. Nye m iko mmiri ahụ. Floor is ala. Floor and ground is the same thing. Floor is ala. Ala. Chair is oche. Chair is oche. Oche, that is chair. In Igbo language is oche. Oche, that is chair. Spoon, the spoon you use in eating. Spoon is ngaji. Ngaji, that is spoon. Ngaji. If you have any question, if you have what you want to ask me, I will translate for you in Igbo language. Door is ụzọ. Door. Open that door. Mepee ụzọ ahụ. Door is ụzọ. Door is ụzọ. Door is ụzọ. Run. Gbaa ọsọ. Run. Gbaa ọsọ. Run. Gbaa ọsọ. Where are you going to? Where are you going to? Ka ebe ị na-aga. Ka ebe ị na-aga. Where are you going to? Ka ebe ị na-aga. Are you back? Ị lọtago. Ị lọtago. Are you back? Ị lọtago. Ị lọtago. That is, are you back? A lot ago. If you want to ask me anything, you can ask me. Or if you want to join the live, I can open for you. If you want to learn Igbo, follow me. Oh my God. You guys should watch.
In this channel, we learn how to speak Igbo language. If you're a beginner and you want to learn how to speak Igbo, this channel is for you. Anything you want to know about Igbo, you will find it in this channel. If today is your first time watching me in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll always be the first to see it. Let's go. In this video, we are going to be learning names of animals in Igbo language. names of animals like dog, cow, horse. We're going to be knowing what is called in Igbo language in this video. Keep watching. Dog. What is dog in Igbo language? Dog is called nkita. Dog is called nkita. Dog is called nkita. That is dog. Nkita. 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 That is dog. Nkita. Nkita is dog. Nkita is dog. Cow. Cow. Cow is called ehi. Ehi. That is cow. Ehi. Ehi. That is cow. Ehi. Ehi. That is cow. Ehi. Goat. Goat is called ewu. 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 That is goat. Ewu. 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 That is goat. Ewu. Chicken. Chicken. Chicken is called okuko. 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 That is chicken. Okuko. Chicken. Okuko. Rabbit. Rabbit is called okay. Rabbit is called okay. Rabbit is called okay. Okay. That is rabbit. Okay. Okay. That is rabbit. Lion. Lion is called odum. Lion is called odum. Lion is called odum. 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 That is lion. Odum. Odum. That is lion. Horse. Horse is called inyinya. Inyinya. That is horse. Horse is called inyinya. Inyinya. That is horse. Inyinya. Inyinya. That is horse. Tortoise. Tortoise is called mbe. Mbe. That is tortoise. Mbe. Tortoise is called mbe. Mbe. Tortoise is called mbe. That is tortoise. House fly. House fly. House fly is called ijiji. House fly is called ijiji. House fly is called ijiji. Ijiji. That is house fly. Ijiji. Snake. Snake. Snake is agwo. Snake is agwo. Snake is agwo. That is snake. Agwo. Python. Python. Python is eke. Python is eke. That is python. Eke. 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 That is python. Eke. Duck. Duck. Duck is called obobu. Duck is called obobu. Obogu, that is duck. Obogu. Obogu, that is duck. Obogu. Obogu, that is duck. Pigeon. Pigeon is called nduru. That is pigeon. Nduru. Nduru. That is pigeon. Pigeon is called nduru. 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 That is pigeon. Donkey. Donkey. Donkey is called Jackie. Donkey is called Jackie. Donkey is called Jackie. 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 That is donkey. Jackie. What is called lizard? Lizard. Lizard is called ngwere. Ngwere. That is lizard. Ngwere. Ngwere. That is lizard. Ngwere. Lizard. Ngwere.
Hi.
Fish. Fish is azo. Fish. Azo.
Hi,
Azo.
Anthony.
That is fish. Azo. Fish is azo. Azo. That is fish. Azo. So guys, we are going to stop this video here. If you like and enjoy this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit on that notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you always be the first to see it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
So you guys should go and follow me. Follow me on my YouTube channel, guys. You guys should go follow me on my YouTube channel.